Hello and welcome to another JavaScript Exercise and Solutions video. If you are new here and want to learn more about JavaScript, please consider subscribing. In today's video, we will be solving this JavaScript exercise. If you haven't made your choice, feel free to pause the video first until you make up your mind. Okay, so the correct answer is 1. The modulus operator always returns the remainder of a division. When it comes to division, even numbers can always be divided by 2 without any remainder. So using the modulus with 2 on an even number will always return 0. Odd numbers, on the other hand, cannot be divided evenly by 2, so the modulus will always return 1. It's a good way to find out if a number is even or odd. Of course, you can also use it to check for other division remainders. 9 modulus 3 will return 0. 10 modulus 3, on the other hand, returns 1 as 3 goes into 10 3 times and then you have 1 as a remainder. If we try 11, we get 2. To take my complete JavaScript quiz, from which I have taken this question, please visit pmcoding.co.uk/trickyjs. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I regularly post front-end tutorials as well. For any questions, please leave a comment below or DM me on Twitter @pmcoding. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time!